YouTube fam, I'm back. You already know what time it is. This time I'm back with the S197. Really ain't much. It's just a do-it-yourself project. I think it's called DIY, DUI, DUI, DYI. However you want to say it. This time we're going to be restoring the headlights. I'm going to sand them with 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Then I'm going to buff them with compound and polish. And we going to finish them off with Cerakote ceramic finish. What I'm going to do is I'm finna show you how they look because they got a little oxidation. I already did one. I'm going to show you how that look. And I'm going to set the camera up behind me and we just going to go to work, man. We just going to go to work. Don't mind the yard. I got to pick up the trash. But as you can see, that's one I already done. And this is the one I'm about to do, which is, you can see it, it's peeling, the clear coat peeling. So I'm finna set the camera up behind me. I'm gonna get this 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 grit paper and fill up my water bottle and we finna get to work. We're gonna start with a 1,000. Just straight lines and circle motion. Do this for a while. This is 2,000 grit paper. Just a little elbow grease. I would rather have a drill, but I honestly would rather do it by hand. That way you can't put too much pressure and, I mean, really can't mess it up. A little more work, but at least you know you get every spot. I don't have to worry about it barely going dead. You don't have to do it much, unless your headlights are super bad, you know. I started with a 1,000, I went to a 2,000. You probably could start with like an 800, which I did on my passenger side. And I just want to see what the result's gonna be starting with 1,000, because the headlights wasn't that bad anyway. What you want to do is you want to go horizontal, you want to go vertical, and you want to go circular, so you can like even out the scratches or the surface marks. Keep them moisturized if you can. With 3,000, I don't do it wet because this is just basically, I don't know, just like a pad, and it just basically just something to rub with. It really ain't really much. I may have to actually do it more than once. If you like me, you want to save some money, For 2011 Mustang, they don't make HID headlights no more. So these are HIDs, and versus trying to find some online, I got to save them. This is my first time, so if I can do it, you can do it. Just take your time. I detail for a living, but I'm not professional with headlights. I'm not gonna lie about that. It's probably better to have it off the car also, but once again, honestly, that looked pretty good. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sand it one more time, because like right up in here, it still got a clear coat peeling. So I'm gonna sand it one more time, and hopefully I can get up in that corner a little bit better. Like I said, I'm not a professional, so 1 or 2 passes, at least you get to see what you missed and all that. You know what I mean? Once again, my headlights wasn't that bad, so. So I'm starting back with a 1000 again, after I done compounded and everything. And you seen how it looked, so now I'm just doing a go over to make sure I didn't miss anything, which is fine. You want to get the best look out of them anyway. You don't want to ruin them, and you don't want to make them look worse than what they did. And if you're gonna put the elbow grease in, you at least want to get all the clear coat off that's peeling. That don't work. I may have to go down to like an 800. Just a more aggressive grit. Hopefully I don't though. Even though this 3000 don't feel like it's doing a damn thing, it may be working. So I'm gonna do it just like I do the other grits. And we're gonna hope for the best, even though it don't feel like it's doing much of nothing. They not gonna be perfect. I mean, this is my first time and it's my car, so I'm taking my time and learning as I go. But with this, I got it on speed 6. You can spread it out on speed 1, then speed up. But for the most part, you want to take it slow. You don't want to go too fast with it. For those of y'all wondering, Adams Polish Compound is what I'm using. Now I'm about to change my pad to a fine cut pad by Scott Skimmy, I think that's the name. And I'm gonna use Adams Polish. I'm gonna just do the same thing. Don't take much, 4 dots. If anybody done paint correction, it's basically the same thing, honestly. From my experience, that's just today. So that's pretty much finished product after sanding and buffing. So now I'm about to go get the Cerakote and we're gonna get that on there and let it set for 20-30 minutes and we're gonna see how it look. Okay, this is the kit I got, ceramic headlight. Cerakote, got it from Walmart for $16. Going straight to step 3, which is the coating part, since I already done this sanding and everything, but it does have 3 steps. Removes oxidation, prep surface, then the coating. So you can use that if you want to, or you can do it the way I done it. All right, so we got that on. We got it sanded, we got it buffed, we got it coated. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna let it cure for 20-30 minutes, make sure it's dry to touch, but it's so freaking hot out here, it probably dry in the next 5-10 minutes, but I'm gonna give it 20-30 minutes. And what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna show y'all, but as you see, I got that new edge back there, and damn, it's bright behind me. Hope we get a little better. I got this old new edge right here, which I already had started on doing the headlights. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the headlights on these while that one finish curing or whatnot. And I'll be back to show y'all the finished result. All right, so this is the finished product. Man, that's super clean. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, that look good. Oh, wrapping this video up, man, it's over with. You seen the headlights, you seen the process I took. If you want to do this yourself and you watch this video to this point, man, subscribe, like, comment, go to Walmart, get you some 1,000 grit, 2,000 grit, 3,000 grit, and some Cerakote, and just order you any kind of buffer, man, with 2 pads or just 1 pad. Damn, I put up 3 fingers. But I'm out, man. If you to this point right now, subscribe and check out the next video.